Now we discuss LSA4 and LSA5. If you want have LSA4, the first you must have LSA5. Must have. Actually, if have LSA4 and not have LSA5, this situation will be exist. Or just have LSA5, not have LSA4. This situation will be exist too. If you want to discuss LSA4, first you must discuss LSA5. Okay. LSA5 actually same as LSA3. Actually, this is the root. That is the root generated by SBR. LSA5 generated by SBR. SBR is autonomous system boundary router. Which router is SBR? Which routers is SBR? If a router have redistribute process or redistribute action, that router will be the SBR. At least. Let me say again. Which router will be SBR? If a router connected to protocols, at least have a redistribute action, even not have redistribute routes, this router will be the SBR. We can do it. R3 create a new loopback 0, loopback 1. The IP address is 3333, okay, and belong to EIGRP 100. We redistribute EIGRP 100 into the OSPF. Now this router will be SBR. You check it, okay? Check it. R3 create a new loopback 0, loopback 1. 3333. Okay. Now network this interface belong to EIGRP 100. Okay. Now under OSPF 1 redistribute EIGRP 100 subnets. Okay. Then R3 connect two protocols and have redistribute action. So R3 is the SBR, autonomous system boundary router. How to show it? We shall show IP OSPF. You can show self. Show IP OSPF. Here you can see it is an autonomous system boundary router. Another command, show IP OSPF protocols. You can see same. It is an autonomous. Another command, show IP OSPF border routers. This command can't show self. You can show it on other routers. Show IP OSPF border routers. You can see 3.3. This router is SBR, right? You can see SBR. Okay. I said, if you have a redistributed action, you have redistribute act, even not have the redistribution root. Now you can see show IP OSPF database, the type 5. You can see the EIP roots 33. These roots redistribute into the OSPF type 5. Okay, you can see it. But if not have the roots, how to route OSPF 1 redistribute EIP 100 subnets root map. Sorry, EIP 100 subnets root map E. Root map E deny 10. Deny all. Deny all. Now you can see no one EIP roots will be redistributed into the OSPF. You can see no one roots redistributed into the OSPF, right? But R3 have redistribute act. So R3 same will be ASBR. Also will be the ASBR. You can show it. Show IP OSPF border router. On R3 show IP protocols. You can see the autonomous system boundary router. So the SBR, which router is the SBR? Have at least have redistribute the action. Even not have one redistribute roots, this route will be SBR, right? Okay. Okay, now we know which router is the SBR. Modify, delete the root map, redistribute, no redistribute EIP 100, redistribute EIP 100 subnets, show around section RO. Okay, you can show it. Now we check the LSA 5. LSA 5. I said LSA 5 generated by the SBR. Which router is the SBR? R3 act have redistribution act. So R3 is SBR. R3 is advertising router. Generate this LSA 5 LSA 5 in another area. Area 0, area 2. You can show it. Area 0 show IP OSPF database. You can see type 5. Type 5 advertising router is SBR 3.3. The link state ID is the roots. Okay. Go on. Go on. Show IP OSPF database. How to show the LSA 5, the details. Show IP OSPF database and type LSA 5 called external, and the link state ID 33. Okay. Show it. You can see here is type 5. Here is type 5. Above is LSA header, network mask here, including network mask. This is prefix. I said LSA 5, same as LSA 3. Actually is the roots. But the difference is LSA 3 generated by the ABR, and LSA 5 generated by the SBR. Both including network mask and prefix. Okay. Go on. The metric here. Metric. This is seed metric. Seed metric is 20. Is default. Another protocol except BGP, except another OSPF process. Here is another protocol. Here. R3 connect OSPF process 1. Connect another protocol. EIP is okay. RIP is okay. ISS is okay. If these three protocols redistribute into OSPF, the default seed metric is 20. If another, including connect and static, including this, if another OSPF process like OSPF process 2 or BGP, you redistribute BGP into OSPF or another OSPF process into OSPF, the default the metric not 20. This is the tips. This is tips. Most protocol seed metric is 20. Okay, go on. Forwarding address. Here is forwarding address. Normally is 0.0. Normally. This will be discussed in later. Okay. Will be discussed in other courses. In calculate the roots metric will be discussed this. Another is external root target. Root tag, not target. Root tag. Tag is here. External root tag normally is 0. Normally is 0. And metric type. In LSA metric type. Metric type is here. Metric type. We see it. Where is metric type? Maybe here. Maybe here. Mask metric for the address external tag. Okay. Metric type. Where is metric type? Not a metric type. Must have a metric type. Metric type is 0. Here is 0 means metric type 1. 1 means metric type 2. The default is metric type 2. Metric type 2 different metric type 1 because metric type 1 need plus the metric through the link, but metric type 2 not plus the link cost, not plus link cost. Okay. So you can see the type 5. You can see the type 5. Type 5 actually is a root generated by the SBR, have mask, metric type, metric, forward address, and tag, right? Have this. Every field have any function we will be discussed later. Will be discussed later. Now you can see the type 5, which is type 5 details. Okay, type 5 done. Type 5 done.
Thank you for watching. Visit our website below.